Long time no see. Long time no talk. How are we getting on? So, we are in the process of getting stuff ready for paint. I've got, if you know what this part is, and 1 second. And you know what this part is, you know now the extent to the restoration as well as the conversion on this Civic. So lads, as I said already, we want to get these painted. So, let's get to it. You just get your head back in there, people think it's a horse box. That's the last piece to grind down, and then we're ready for primer. So unfortunately we had a little bit of a problem. It involved this little grinder, a pocket that once was, holy moly, you've been framed. It's like the Mona Lisa looking through a bit of cloth. Not that cute. Yeah, so that was on me jumper. Hold on a minute. Where's me jumper? What pocket? Yeah, it's gone. She was wild. Keep that out of hand. I tell you, lads, we've got a variety of wire wheels just in case we need them for the underneath or anything, just to touch it up before we paint it. So I've got this wire wheel. I've got a set of wire wheels then as well. Like I've got a big.
Jeez, you got a big bag of wire wheels. Look at them. What size do you want?
I got round, I've got round. Yeah, but they're all different sizes and shapes, and the little humdinger of a one there now, lad, that penetration on that is just, it's insane. I tell you what, when you have an itchy ass, that there is the one you want. It gets right up there and it gets away the itch. Highly recommend one of those, lads. They're very entertaining too. It's amazing how nice it feels having a wire wheel shoved up it. Oh Lord God. Let's get to it.
A few moments later.
So we have the fabulous Nicola Shield. She's with us for the first time in a while. You've probably seen her. Probably first time ever. But anyway, lads, we are going to show you the parts that we have got ready for spraying. So I am just in the middle of mixing up some epoxy primer, and then we're going to get these bad boys panel wiped, degreased, and then we will start spraying. So we've got the rear trailer arms off of the EP. Obviously they're all off the EP3. Then we've got the two front wishbones. Now, here's the other wishbone. If you know what this part is, and if you know what this part is, you know how extensive this restoration is going, because they are not normally painted, and also they're not even seen at all. They're under carpet, but you know what they're for. Leave it down in the comments if you know. There's two of them, two of each. So lads, let's get to it and start spraying. So first of all, we're going to have a little look at the lacquers and the paints and materials that we're going to use for the parts for the Civic. So we have Novel epoxy primer. We got the hardener for that then as well. We're mixing it 1 to 1. As you see here, it says 5950 1 to 1, 5950. So if I had had the hardener of 5960, it would have been mixed at 10 to 1 plus 10% hardener, or 10% of thinners. Now, it doesn't say 10% thinners here, but I'm going to put 10% thinners in it. The boys in the shop said it to me. So then we have the 4CR clear coat, and we have the hardener for that. And there's the hardener for it, and then there's the thinners for the hardener, or for the thinners for the lacquer.
chocolate.
Evan's helped me do the last intro boy, or the outro. I don't even want to edit this out of it now, to be fair. The missus is after walking in, it's a family affair right now.
Oh no! There's 500 to go in fire!
Go on, Kieran, romantic.
We finally have fucking paint!
Go on.
Let's fucking go!
Let's go. Thank you very much, lads, for watching. Thanks to our sponsors, 4CR, Exo Racing, Mcg, RacingDiffs. Lads, I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all later.